Who would love to change an area of your life? Maybe it's your relationship, or maybe it's their business, or the amount of money you have in your account. But I believe that most of us have got an area of life that we would love to change. Maybe it's just that you want to create more love. What if it was as easy as finding the right question? Tony Robbins, who's a great motivator and speaker, says that the quality of our questions creates the quality of our lives. When my wife and I sold our property, and if you want to see that story, that is Stop Believing in Facts, which is a couple of recordings back. We weren't selling our house. Took 3 months of people not coming through our door. We'd put the advertising out. Everyone was telling us that the market had turned and soft, and it felt like, oh no, we can't sell this home. But then we asked ourselves a quality question. The first one was, would we love this home be sold? That was easy, yes. How did we have to show up was the second one. How were we meant to be, right, in this process? And that was positive. That was focusing on what we would love. We started to focus on what the people would love in this home, right? What would they be doing? Sitting out on the deck, having a glass of wine. We started to vision and manifest things like that. Within a week, we sold the home. So this is the power of questions. Asking yourself a powerful question that can create a different answer. And then you start to create the life that you would love in that area. Hope this is helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.